In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to use a Bosch cordless combi drill as a screwdriver. So the worst thing you can probably do is get one of these PZ2 bits here. So as you can see, it says on PZ2, PH2 bit. And what you can do is you can insert that into the jaws of the drill. You want to hold the drill with your right hand, tighten up the chuck with your left hand. And that will tighten up the PH2 bit into the drill. Now you can always release that. The problem with this method is that if you don't quite tighten up the drill enough, it can push the bit back into the drill, which is no good. So the best way to use your cordless combi drill as a screwdriver is to get one of these magnetic bit holders. There's a few different types. Some of them come like this, some of them come like that, but they're all called a magnetic drill bit holder. So then you take your standard driver bit, insert it into your holder. Now this has a hexagon shaft which fits perfectly into your drill. So again, same process. Hold the end of the chuck. You can use the trigger on forward speed as long as you're holding the very end of the drill, and tighten that up. So this way you've got the driver bit in the end, you've got your magnetic bit holder, and then your drill. That's the best way to set your drill up in order to screw screws into whatever job you're doing.